With some human hair drip from, I hate to say my most favorite human hair wig company, but if you've been rocking me for a while, you know Reshine Hair is just that company. I love Reshine Hair. As a matter of fact, the one human hair wig that you ain't seen on Poshmark, because I've been rocking it, is that little short ocean wave unit from Reshine Hair, y'all. Just in love with them. So I picked up another unit from there and I said, let me come on here and show it to my friends. If you're looking at the description box, you see direct link to the wig as well as all the details, okay? Another reason why I love Reshine is because y'all know I can't comb hair and they make wigs so beginner friendly, it's not even funny. All right, so yes, I did get color this time. So not only did we get the wig, they also included some eyelashes, which y'all see I done started doing these almost barely there eyelashes. I need to go back home. Talk to me in the comments what you think. Some stocking caps and a card with their social medias on it. All right, so this wig is 16 inches long and it's kinky curly. But look at the color, okay? Because I feel like as we move into spring, it's time to brighten up, okay? But to be honest with you, I mean, you could wear this hair in the fall. You do what you want. The part to write home about with these Reshine wigs, y'all, is you really don't have to do anything. You don't have to cut nothing. You ain't got to dye nothing. You ain't got to bleach nothing. Everything. You ain't got to pluck nothing, y'all. Everything has been done for you. How dope is that? Okay. And check out this color. This color is really bomb, huh? All right, before I do anything, look at my head. Okay, it's time for a haircut and a dye, I know. But let me put this wig on without a stocking cap. And before I, do anything to it, just so you can see what you will be getting straight out the box. Well, let me show you the cap construction too, huh? Okay. You don't have any combs, which I appreciate because the combs hurt my head, but you do get this adjustable band that makes the wig feel so secure on your head. And then you get this parting space. I want to say I got a 5x5, but look in that description box. It could be a 4x4. Okay, look at the description box. A parting space so you could do left, right, or a middle part. I just love their units for beginners like me. Or if you're not a beginner, say you're just somebody that's looking for something to throw on and go, I promise that you need to come over here and look at Reshine Hair. This is going to be cute. Okay. Oh gosh. Yeah, once I put on a stocking cap, you won't be able to see that as much. My hair is blonde. But you can part this wherever your little fatty heart decides in that 4x4 parting space that you get. All right. And this color is so pretty. So you get these very honey blonde and honey brown pieces, and then you get some darker pieces throughout. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my stocking cap back on. I'm gonna spray this wig down, and I'm gonna do all that flipping and dipping around, and then I'll be back with my final thoughts. Y'all be right
back.
change and the shirt change. It's just that I really, really like this wig, and I think that this background and this color shirt really gives it the spring vibes that it so deserves. Y'all, this is a quick install. I don't even think it will take you 5 minutes. All I did, I cut some of the ends and I wet it, and this is what we came up with, and it's actually dried a little bit since I applied water to it, and I'm just in love with this. I think that it is absolutely gorgeous. I think whether you are a beginner like me or if you're a wig slayer, that ease of parting just makes this such a wonderful wig to have in your arsenal. Like I said, throw it and go. This is the type of wig you leave by your door. When you're getting ready to leave, you can just snatch it like a little hat. So I definitely recommend this one from Reshine Hair, but y'all know how I feel about Reshine Hair. They have some bomb amazing units. And when people ask me what are some reputable human hair blends that you recommend, I always say Reshine. So if you look at that description box, you'll see a direct link to this unit, the exact one that I got. But I do encourage you to look around on their website because they have tons of gorgeous wigs. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye.